In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a server in Hytale so that you can go ahead and play with friends. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But starting off in the main menu of Hytale, you're going to want to go ahead and select on this worlds tab right here. And if you don't already have a world, go ahead and create a new one. If you already have a world like I do, simply select it and just get loaded into it. And once you get loaded into your world, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just select the little escape button on your keyboard. And on the left hand side, you're going to see an online play option. Go ahead and select that. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is allow other players to join. So tick allow other players to join up in the very top on, and then go ahead and hit save. From here though, what you're going to want to do is either set a password for extra security. This part is optional, you don't have to do this. But essentially, the main thing that you're going to want to do is just get this share code, and it's going to take a second for it to actually generate for you. It's going to be your IP address. Just copy this share code whenever you get the opportunity to, and then just send that over to your friends. Just keep in mind this is your IP address, so only share it with people that you trust. Once your friends do have this IP address, and I'll show you from the friends POV, they're going to want to go ahead and go to this servers tab and then select join via code, and then just paste that invite code right in here and then hit join, and that'll let them join instantly. That is how you can create and join a server here in Hytale. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.